Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this chocolate cookie together. It doesn't require a lot, just one egg and oil. So with the little things that will be included later. So yeah, I have my egg and my oil, so I'm just mixing everything together. I add sugar, so all the measurement will be on the description box below. Don't forget to check it out and try it and let me know what you think about the recipe. It was so delicious, guys. Before I even bring it out from the oven, the children have finished it. So this is my flour. I'm going to steam the flour. I have my baking powder also, a pinch of salt. So now I'm just going to stick everything together. Guys, you know when children love something, so when you do it and finish it, you will be very happy to make it over and over. So I'm just mixing everything together with my hand. So my hand was already clean. Keep on washing, guys. My dough is ready, guys, so I'm just going to divide it into two so that I can put chocolate on one side. That is what I'm just doing now. So this is the side I'm going to add chocolate powder on. So I just pour it inside and mix everything together just the way we did before. I have the both here, so now I'm just going to roll. I'm going to roll the one without chocolate first before the one of chocolate. So what I'm going to do now, when I finish rolling, I just cut it round, nothing difficult. I'm going for round shape today. Keep on watching. I'm just doing the same thing with the chocolate side also. So I'm just going to do the same thing we did for the one without chocolate. I'm rolling it as well. So I'm going to cut it the same shape also. After cutting it round, so I'm just going to remove the excess dough out of the side so that it can be easy when I'm going to place the both together. This is the design I'm going for today. So I take one of the chocolate, I take the one without chocolate. So I'm just going to arrange everything together to get that good color that I'm going for today. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. So I have everything here. So I'm just going to use baking paper to wrap it, roll it very well before I put it on the freezer for few minutes. Few minutes later, I will bring it out. So I'm still rolling it. You can see the colors. This is the color I'm going for. Wow, I really love this design. So now I'm going to put it on the freezer for few minutes. Few minutes later, this is what we have. So now let's open it and cut it to our desired size that we want before we put it in the oven. Wow, I really like this color, guys. I really like the color, so I'm just going to dice it into little pieces, nothing too big, nothing too small. While putting it on the freezer, I make it easy for the dicing. So now I'm just going to dice it and put it on the oven. I will put the oven on 160 degrees for 15 minutes, guys. Here we are, it's ready to go to the oven. Wow, it really looks beautiful. Look at it, guys. It's ready. Our cookie is ready. Chocolate mixed with it. Wow, look at the color. Tell me if this is not amazing. Look at how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share to friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye bye.